Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to stop someone from calling you without blocking them on WhatsApp. So let's get started. So if you want to stop someone from calling you without blocking them on WhatsApp, what you can do is just simply open up your WhatsApp application. After opening up your WhatsApp application, just enter the password, and after entering the password, what you can do is select a person. After selecting that person, just tap on the profile icon, and after tapping on the profile icon, just toggle this option on, which is mute notifications. So after turning it on, it will ask you for how much time would you like to mute this person. So if it's for 8 hours, just select that option. You can also mute them for a week or for always. So just select an option. After selecting option, now what you can do is just tap on OK, and after tapping on OK, you have successfully muted them. So now what will happen is, if they'll call you, you will receive the message but your phone will not ring. So you can see that they have called you, but you will not receive a phone call, but you will receive a message that they have missed called you. So that's it guys, this is how to stop someone from calling you without blocking them on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.